Second of all, I'm wear clothes to review my body because I. What's up, guys? I'm Swappy. What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, I gonna do the Q&A what I've been asking. So I ask on my Instagram and also on my YouTube. So if you comment some question different from what I normally commented, and I'm gonna do a Q&A. But from Instagram, most of the questions are repetitive. Mean that I already do them and I'm gonna pass Q&A them. So I decide them and I'm gonna use them there. But just I'm gonna use the one them where I'm not comment on my YouTube channel because them they have more, you know, them they more better, them they not repetitive and all them something. So I screenshot them. I probably put some of them in another video. Probably not. Probably just read off when I know myself. And yeah, so I have what is 60 questions, but I'm not gonna answer all 60 of them. Because you know, I'm not gonna answer all 60 of them, guys. But before we jump in the video, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, leave a comment on this video, guys. Follow me on Instagram at I am Shawna with 2S. Link's gonna be in at the top of the description. So you just click the description, you're gonna see the link come up, you go on it and you follow me. Or you can just follow me. My name from Instagram gonna be on the screen right here, so guys. So you can do that. Share my YouTube channel, guys, and do it to 20,000 subscribers. I want like 20,000 subscribers before me finish, okay? So smash the subscribe button, guys, and just make do it, okay? We soon like 20,000 subscribers, so we could just aim towards that. Anyways, yeah. So the first question is, just with my hardly see because the light in my eye. Oh, what I'm probably do is I call out to the name and read the question then. Yeah, that better. Call out to the name and read the question then, because I probably not put the question them in this because that I gonna do. That I gonna be whole heap of editing and I'm busy today, I'm busy. So first question, Roxine Daniels. Guys, I'm gonna tell you the fan now. Some people pronounce name different. So how I pronounce on them name, that may not be the way how I pronounce on the name. So if I get it wrong, nobody bash me down in the comment section, okay? So first question comes from Roxanne Daniels. She said, why do you always choose to respond to negative comments in the most declaratory way? First of all, I'm replying to all comments once I have the time, whether negative, positive, in between, fake, real, anything at all, okay? And not only negative comments I reply to. Reason why me do reply to negative comment because ain't nobody gonna bully me. You're not gonna bully me and you're not gonna just say what you feel like saying it just like gonna leave this. So no. I'm gonna put you in your place. So you're not gonna bully me. So that's how I'm replying to negative comment. But I have time. And most of it, sometimes see some of them I just laugh and go about my business. But most of them, when you do reply to them, that's at the time know when them back off. So they feel like they can bully you. As I say, if you become a YouTuber, you have to be mentally strong, physically strong, emotionally strong, verbally strong. So I reply to all comments once I have time. Jada Lee Squad say, when do you want to have your first child? First of all, I don't want a pitney. Well, maybe when I'm 30. No, because I can't manage pitney right now. But I'm telling you, it's a pitney. Pitney is like, pitney is a responsibility. Like, you have to be dedicated. You have to really want it. Because most people get catch, them not really want a pitney, and then when the pitney come, them can't manage the pitney, them can't manage the responsibility, them can't manage motherhood on a whole. I'm not ready for all of that yet, so I'm gonna just wait until when I think I can manage it. So maybe 30. I don't know. Next question said, that funny, I'm not gonna answer that. The Taylor fam said, when we are going to up a next shoot, a next photo shoot, I already tell you, you for just link me up and I got you, okay? Just link me up with the pics and something. And I got you. Alexandra Pigat say, do you ever see yourself talking back to the... First of all, I'm going to do fake. I don't do fake, and when people try to make me look fake or make me look like say yo I'm a hater or me this or me that, we ain't gonna be friends. We ain't never gonna be friends. Once we have beef forever. You're disgusting, you know. Once we have beef forever, okay? So we ain't never gonna be friends. Them stay off for them part, me stay by my part. So that's that. Only can't stop asking me now. Shanice Foster. Next question. Shanice Foster said, why do you like to wear clothes that reveal your body and think it's fashionable? I think it's fashion or sexy. No, Shanice, I don't know what I try say. Well, I know what I try say. But first of all, anything I put on is fashion and sexy. So that's a one. Second of all, I wear clothes that reveal my body because I can. My body clean, my skin clean. I'm look good, so that's two. Third of all, I feel comfortable in my skin for whatever I feel like. So I don't know if you try to be funny or slick or whatever, but that's your response. I wear clothes that make me feel comfortable and I know I look good in it. So thank you. Shawna writes, do you ever feel alone without a partner? Duh. Everybody must feel lonely sometimes. Of course, I feel lonely sometimes, but well, that's just life. You just have to just sit down and wait. Well, you don't have to sit down. You can go about your business and search, which I'm not going to do. So you just have to go sit down and wait till somebody come your way. You never are going to know if the person is the right person. You just have to try and see where it goes. So right now, I'm just going to go and work, live life, and do my thing till somebody decide they want to do something for me. So that's that. All Natural Candy, so how long did it take you to become monetized? Okay, so for most people who know, I have 3 YouTube channels. Most of them may know, most of them may not. My first YouTube channel name, Shawna Campbell. That was my first ever YouTube channel. That day 5,000 odd subscribers, guys. When I reached 2,000 odd subscribers, I realized say that channel get demonetized, meaning that I can't monetize none at all. I can't make no money off it or none at all. Even though most of my popular videos they on that channel. So then I start over this channel, that girl Shawna channel. I start this channel now. First the Shawna Campbell channel that I realized that demonetized in a August or September. Somewhere right this so. Then I start that channel there right after I realized that get demonetized. So this channel now, so between August and September I start by that channel there. I'm get monetized to this channel in a January of this year. Yeah, in a January of this year, because I did last year all of that happened. So before me get monetized on this channel, it did get demonetized also. I don't know why. I think I did because of the same email when I use or whatever. I don't know why, but this year I don't get demonetized. So then that when I reach like all 1,000 odd subscribers, I realize that this get demonetized. Then I start another channel with name I Am Shawna. I have that channel right now. I just 2 videos there up and I don't really use it again. But probably I go turn it in on my vlogging channel whenever I start vlog and start take vacation and whenever I start like vlog things, I go turn that in on my vlogging channel. So for right now, I'm going to get monetized in January of this year for this channel. Yes, guys. So, that's that. It depends on how long you take to make your thing get monetized. Meaning that how consistent you be. If you put out content where people want to see and run up your watch hours real quick, as you already know, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours is the deal for get monetized. So, it depends. Some people take 1 week to get monetized. Some people take months. Some people take years. It all depends on you and your support base. If you understand what I mean. So, you have to decide how long you want to take. Okay. Shade Pierce. She said, why you always listen to bad mind? Alright, you see when you're a public figure, guys, or anything, not even only public figure, but anything at all, once you're a human in general, people are going to hate for you. Whether you do something good or something bad, people are going to hate for you. So when you just have to just do what make you happy. Just be yourself and live your own life. If people don't hate for you, that means you not do nothing good, because only haters alone hate for you when you do something good. So continue to do good and make them hate. Just elevate, you understand? So yes, that's that. Tony and Thomas, Tony and Thompson, oh Jesus, nobody bash me. Tony and Thompson said, what is your goal for your YouTube channel and to interact with your fans? Yeah, she said, what is your goal for your YouTube channel? Okay, my goal from YouTube channel, my first goal. Well, I my first goal already. My first goal was to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watchers, so I could get monetized and start make money. Reach that goal. My second goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers. You know, when you reach 100,000 subscribers, you get a plaque from YouTube saying congratulations and surpassing 1,000 subscribers and 100,000 subscribers and stuff like that. So that's my second goal. And then my third goal is 1 million subscribers. Then after 1 million subscribers, we keep on surpassing that. So my goal for YouTube, I just continue to push forward, reach all of what me just telling you, say, for, you know, just be a boss YouTuber, you understand? So yeah, and she said to interact with your fans. Okay. I don't call my supporters them my fans. I call my supporters them my supporters them. I call the haters them my fans. Because haters them hate you, but hate till them can't get enough of you. Them be the first one for always a watch or comment something negative. So them did they lurk and wait for you for drop something just so they can't hate for you. So them are my fans. Supporters different from my fans. So if you interact with them guys, I normally go up on YouTube live or go up on Instagram or whatever. Other than that guys, I go do a giveaway. The whole virus has slowed me down right now. I would have been do a giveaway already, but I can't yet. So I go do a giveaway guys. I soon post on my Instagram and also my YouTube channel. Oh, one for do for win the giveaway. So for right now, just continue to subscribe to my channel. I gotta have one lucky. No, you know, I'm probably do 3. First, second, and third. Yeah, I'm probably do 3 guys. So for right now, just go and subscribe, get me to 20,000 subscribers, and wanna wait for the giveaway poster and see if one can be lucky enough to win. Shawna right again also say, how you feel being single this long? First of all, I did been single from just born till when reach high school. I feel like me a big man, so I've been single longer than how I'm single right now. But yeah, sometimes I do feel that way, but sometimes actually I don't really feel that way, because at the end of the day you don't really need nobody but yourself. You probably need them for please you, pleasure, stuff like that. But other than that, if them really not have nothing for offer you have to bring to the table, you don't need nobody but yourself. Once you make your own money, you feel comfortable in your own skin, you feel you do whatever you want to do, you don't need nobody but yourself. But loneliness sometimes, but other than that, I'm good. Julia Vassal said, what is your biggest fear right now? My biggest fear, this probably be everybody's biggest fear, but yeah, some people just not care. My biggest fear is death. Yeah, death. I'm afraid for death. That's my biggest fear, guys. Yep. Shamar Jones said, add Angel to your video. Why you so cute? Thank you. God met me this way. But as I'm telling you, Angel don't live with me. Abby don't live. None of my sisters did not live with me. I have 5 sisters. None of them not live with me again. Okay? Everybody there for them part. So whenever them come around or whenever me go around them, then we see them in the video. Daniel said, how old are you? I'm 20. I'm 20. I'm going to be 21 in September. Okay, I'm a Virgo. 21 in September. September the 16th, I got my birthday, guys. So, I'm going to prepare for send me some things on my birthday. I'm accepting some supporters, them too, you know. So, if you don't want to send me anything, just DM me. And, yeah, we'll work on something. Somebody said, Shawna, you look goodie. Thank you. And if you hear me say somebody say, that simply means that I don't know if I pronounce the name. But you must know on yourself. Now somebody name long, but I just say the first part when name Chev. They said, why you said you were pregnant? It was just a prank. Okay? If you did watch my follow-up video, then you would have seen something say. It was just a prank. I am not pregnant. I'm to be pregnant when I'm single. So that's why most people did get it. Most people did never get it. But me don't know. When I'm pregnant, it was just a prank, guys. It was just a prank. Just not do an April Fool's prank pan own, but most people did already pick up say it's a prank. So that's why I'm saying no. I'm gonna just prolong it a little more. If you see what would I really say, if you see what would I really do, and you see what would I say and do. So it was just a prank. Most people still not believe, but if you don't follow up on Instagram, I'm gonna say I'm belly flat and all these things. It's just a prank. Tio 876 God said, "Where are you from?" I'm from St. Catherine. I come from St. Catherine. Now I'm gonna give you my direct address. I'm gonna just give my price. From St. Catherine, living in St. Catherine. Nay and Nate said, "How long did you grow your channel?" Nay and Nate said, always over your channel as a video drop with show love. Thank you for that, guys. Thank you for that. I really, really appreciate all of my subscribers, them, all of my supporters, them, all of my fans, them. I appreciate all of Uno and stuff like that, because without Uno, this wouldn't be possible. So, thank you for that. And as I said before, I basically like answer the question already. How long it take for grow my channel? Basically answer this. So if you go back in the video, you will see. Shawna Watson said, "How many siblings do you have?" I got 5 sisters. No brothers, my 5 sisters. So I'm gonna tell you their name. Most of them know Kim. Kim are the oldest. From my mother's side. Abby second. Me third. Alright, so I'm gonna say from my mother's side because mother and father. So from my mother's side, you have Kim, Abby, Kaomi, and Reese. Reese is the smallest son. So from my father's side now, you have Abby, me, and Angel. Wanna get it? Yeah, so 5 sisters. And me the middle one from both sides. Me the middle one for my mother. Because mother have 5 away. And me the middle one for my father. Him have 3 away. So me and Abby have the same mother, same father. Me and Angel have the same father. Also with Abby. Me and Kim, Kaomi, and Reese have the same mommy. Yes, so all natural candy. So what you do make people hate you? First of all, you don't have to do nothing for people hate you. You can just simply be yourself and do what you like do. And people just naturally hate upon you. But I figure I know why you said that. Okay, so before all of this, I never did I receive so much hate. Because I never speak my facts. Ever since I speak my facts, I make people know what really I go on. I start receive all of the hate also. I start receive all of I receive most positivity than hate, as you can see. So once you be true or you talk facts, or if somebody do something, if somebody high above you and you just like right here so, and them do something you talk about it, you're gonna receive hate. You're gonna receive hate. So only thing after that, just once you know so whatever you say are true, you just speak your truth and you go on with your business. Make people hate upon you if you want. You always gotta have support somewhere. You always gotta have a support system. So I just be myself, talk my facts, and people hate me. That's it. Javar Wilson said, "Who is your role model?" That's a good question. That's a good question. That's a good question. Whoa. My role model are like other top YouTubers them. When I say, yo, one day I'm gonna reach this or surpass them and stuff like that. So other top YouTubers, not in Jamaica. Not in Jamaica. Not saying that Ray because there are some YouTubers in Jamaica I really like and stuff like that with them, you know? But not in Jamaica. Overseas. Let's put it that day. Because I can't bother with all of that. Oh, so that alone not after me? Oh my gosh. I guess that alone not after me, guys. So that is the end of the Q&A. I know some we probably fast and probably just sprint through it, but we usually do checks at high school wanna think. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel like I said before. Get me to 20,000 subscribers. Okay, guys. Follow me on Instagram also. Because right there, so I'm going to post most of my things then before we reach YouTube. So follow me on this on we see and stuff like that. So thanks for watching again and peace out. Wanna like me here? It's called the Pop Smoke braid. Most of them must know it. Pop Smoke. Yeah. So follow me on you Instagram if you see the picture of them when I take and stuff like that. So peace out, y'all.